So what does it do? Just remove
the roll. So right now, how it's rolling, just like really well. And then as soon as I turn it on, give it a couple seconds, and now it doesn't have that same roll.
Wow, this is cool. It's really nice. And how much is the system?
Depends
on the boat, right? The size and the weight.
So the smallest unit we have is 22,700, and that would be for 27,200.
Very nice. Like a gyroscope, right?
Exactly.
Super cool.
Oh, God bless you. God bless you. You got to sell a lot. You know, it was funny because a friend of mine.
Super cool.
At anchor has to be the prime example. The less obvious time, but equally important, is when you're trying to move around the boat when underway in a rough sea. The new Seakeeper system is quite remarkable. This small, unobtrusive and easily installed piece of equipment manages to keep your boat outstandingly level. And here's the video to prove the difference between having the Seakeeper on the boat and not having it.
Due to the calm sea state, we've had to simulate wave action in order to demonstrate the effectiveness of the stabilizer. As the waves hit the boats, you can really see how the stabilized C48 remains steady, whilst the unstabilized C48 rocks significantly from side to side. The sea trial in those simulated test conditions, tell me what you think of the effectiveness of the stabilizer.
Well, Doug, from where I was on the boat creating the waves, it was very impressive. It was easy to see the difference between the stabilized boat and the unstabilized boat.
And tell me, is it something that you would recommend?
You know, I think I would.